Welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see, I am all dolled up, and that is mainly because I just did my hair. So a lot of you always ask me how I get my hair to be so tamed and like not frizzy and defined. So today I am showing y'all my secrets on how I achieve that look. Basically, I'm going to be showing you my finger curl method, the products that I use as well to basically tame my curls and actually train it. This method really helps me to train my curls so that they behave, because all of the curly girls know that it's a struggle dealing with curly hair, because not only do we have so many different curl patterns, it gets really frizzy. So this method is how I basically combat the frizziness and just kind of control my curls in a way where they're manageable, and also in a way where I can wear it out and it can look pretty much flawless when I go out. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this curly look with my finger method, keep watching and I will see you at the end of the video. Alright y'all, so to begin, I'm using this Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Define and Shine Custard, and then I'm also using the Organics Nourishing Coconut Oil as a hydrating oil mist. And then I definitely always use a Denman brush. It just helps me to separate and detangle my hair during the finger curl process. I do also recommend that you keep a spray bottle filled with water aside just in case your hair dries up, because you do want your hair to be damp during the process. So as of right now, I am just going to go ahead and separate my hair into 4 parts, because if you do not section your hair off, it will get in the way and it may mess up your curl pattern. To begin, I'm just sectioning off a little part. I'm going to go ahead and detangle that part with my Denman brush. And as you can see, as I do that, it does separate my hair into a few little strands, and those will be the strands that I will be twisting. It just makes the process easier. So I love this consistency of the custard. It doesn't weigh my hair down, but it does do a great job of holding those curls together. So you're gonna see as I So now all I do is go ahead and section each piece off and twist it with my finger, and then you get these beautiful little curls. And you guys, it's really as simple as that. Once you separate that, you twist it with your finger, either one finger or 2 fingers, it does not matter, and it'll just create a beautiful curl pattern. The magic really is within the wrist, because you can't just twirl your fingers, you'll get super tired. So what you have to do is you have to twist your wrists around, and it just creates that beautiful pattern. And don't worry about the hair strands that aren't, you know, fully curled yet. They do tend to curl as it dries as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this video, and you guys can just see how I complete this process. know, guys, it looks like it's very tedious, like this is going to take a long time, but I promise you the process is so simple that it literally will take you 30 to 40 minutes to complete this, and the end result is totally worth the time.
Build it just to fuck. As the fun, I love you, I'm thirsty, I forgot to stop. side, I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you hold that to the side, I get those goosebumps every time.
Yeah. 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 Leave me out of comments, leave me out of nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. Your ears are real, the petty is real. Might jump right into a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave me twice, I didn't even know her once. You know I'm a freezer. 42 millimeter, was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with two girls at one time.
Okay, y'all, so after I let my hair dry, this is the final outcome. I personally love this. I love it, love it, love it. Sometimes I'll do it on the side part. Sometimes I'll give it a middle part. Sometimes I would go to the salon and they'll do this for me and they'll charge me like $100. But I am able to do this myself at home, so I just felt like, why not just show the girls how to do this at home without paying $100 for a curl method, you know? So I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.